Hi, I'm Gary Estep from High Standard Machining Company. Um, High Standard Machining Company was founded in 1946, and I started here myself in 1977. Worked here until 1986 when I purchased the company, and at that time, I knew it was time to start upgrading our machines and get into another field. We were basically all Brown and Sharp cam machines. It was time to get into the CNC field. So we looked at a few different types of CNCs and we chose the Citizens. We had a chance to get into the medical field, and because of the complexity of parts, the finishes, and all the exotic stainlesses they use, we chose the Citizens machine from there. At High Standard Machining Company, we're a contract job shop. We'll do anything from 20 millimeters up to 32 millimeter capacity. We're basically in the medical field, the automotive, and the machinery field. At High Standard Machining Company, we were basically all CAM machines. We decided to get into the Swiss CNC machining because of the complexity of the parts we're doing and the on-time delivery. It allowed us to use our employees more efficiently, run around the clock, and get our parts to the customer at an efficient time. We bought our first L20 about 10 years ago, and we found shortly after that, almost 90 days, we were ordering our second L20 due to the increase of our business because of the Citizens machines. I think we went for about a year and a half, and we noticed that there was a need for us to do parts larger than 20 millimeter, so we bought an A32 machine and ran that for a while, and about another year after that we bought two more L20s, and then we found that the complexity of our parts over 20 millimeter were getting more, and so we bought an L32 which has more tooling in it, and we utilized that. We looked at a few different types of Swiss machining, and we decided that Citizen was the way we wanted to go. They're quality built machines, and their support team is a big part of this also. Uh, Whenever we have a problem, they're right there, either on the phone with their techs or they get in here the very next day. When we changed from the CAM machines to the Swiss CNCs, nobody in this building ever touched a CNC machine before. So that was our biggest leap that we had to make. And the Citizens team was here for about 7 days as soon as our machine hit the floor. And within that time, our guys were setting up and running the machine. And they did a fantastic job. Their support is still with us to this day. Um, we make phone calls or they send texts in, and the Citizens team is top notch. The parts are constantly getting more technical, closer tolerances, higher finishes, um, the milling, and all kinds of stuff like that. Um, the Citizens machine fits that perfectly. Um, the manufacturing, the just-in-time deliveries, it helps us get parts out to the customer when they need them. There's many reasons why people should choose to use High Standard for their outsourcing. Our quality is top notch. Of course, we use the Citizens machines, which helps us get there. Um, our our employees have a lot of pride in their work, and our on-time deliveries due to the citizens machines, and that's about it.